Hello my friends, how are you? Are you good? This is Frank again, and today I'm gonna bring you a tutorial on how to draw Garfield. First I'm gonna start with the circle that's gonna be the head, and then I'm gonna draw a line to the bottom of the page, and that's gonna be just a line of action. Then I'm gonna draw another circle under the one I had drawn before, but notice the displacement. It's gonna go a bit more to the right. It's gonna be roughly the same size. So I follow my line of action and I start drawing the first leg. It's gonna be narrow on top and it's gonna get wider as it approaches the foot. I'm just gonna draw a rough sketch for the foot. No details for now, they are not gonna be necessary. And then, right here, touching the upper circle, I'm going to draw a curved line going downwards. Like this, it's gonna be like an inverted letter U. And then I'm gonna draw another letter U under it. That's gonna be one of the arms. So this box I drew at the limit of the lines I made is going to be the other arm, and then his fingers are going to be sticking out from here. So very roughly his tail is going to look like this. No secrets here, just curved lines. And then I'm gonna find the center for his head. Now, do you see the central point? Well, actually his nose is gonna be under this central point. Just an oval down here. And then a curved line going upwards here with a half circle. And from the other side, there's going to be another curved line going upwards and another half circle just at the end. Now guys, his mouth, his cat's mouth is going to look like a mustache. So I'm just going to complete the lower side. And this thing down here, right in the middle, is going to be his chin. So now for the eyes, I'm gonna make a big oval that's gonna come from the nose and it's going to extend almost to the end of the circle, connecting to the curve of his mouth. Now the line that I had marked for the center, it's gonna be the limit for his eyelids, like this. So the ears are gonna come from the center of his head and it's going to be extended to the back of his head. It's just gonna be like a letter A. And I draw a line to give it some depth. And I will just repeat the process with the other ear. So as you can see, his head is not necessarily gonna be a circle. You can make it a bit chubbier. So right under his head, I'm going to draw a letter C. It's gonna be almost a half circle to indicate his shoulder. And now we know that he's gonna be very curvy, and we can start drawing his body from this point. So I reinforce a line for his legs, and I'm going to make some details for his foot. like the toes, which are gonna be very roundish, like this. Okay. So if you like our content, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your like gives us more visibility, and YouTube is gonna recommend this video to more people. So leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell. By doing this, YouTube is gonna give you a notification when I release a new video, which is almost daily. So be one of our subscribers and help us grow. So all we have to do now is to start sketching some details, like his whiskers, which I believe are whiskers. I don't actually know what these things are. Some lines inside his ears. And then the lines on Garfield's body. It's just following the curve of his body. Just count like 3 to 5 lines and it's gonna be okay. So now it's time to get some ink on it. Follow me. So I'm gonna use some brush pens to color it, but as you know, you can use whatever you have available. Feel free to use your colored pencils, paints, crayons, it's up to you. And there you go, Garfield is ready to do whatever he does during the day. I don't know, but I hope you have learned something from it, and I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching the video up to this point, and I'm really looking forward to having you next time. Bye bye and see you soon.